Washington governor signs big gun control package. Let's dive into the details, shall we? The mood at the Washington state capitol was jubilant Tuesday as Governor Jay Inslee signed a trio of gun control bills, one of which immediately bans the manufacture, purchase, or importation of so-called assault weapons. Party safely tonight, the governor told supporters after signing the bills. Inslee and Attorney General Bob Ferguson, both Democrats, pushed for the gun control package. With the governor's signature, Washington becomes the 10th state to adopt an assault weapons ban. No one needs an AR-15 to protect your family, Inslee said, while surrounded by family members of shooting victims. You only need it to kill other families. Wow. Earlier this session, lawmakers passed a bill that mandates safety training and requires a 10-day waiting period to buy a gun, as well as a bill that requires gun makers and dealers to take reasonable steps to keep their products out of the hands of dangerous individuals. I don't know. I guess dealers, but makers, what are they going to do about that? The bill that requires safety training and a waiting period takes effect January 1st, 2024. We lead the country in so many ways, and we are leading on this, Inslee said. I'm not sure any state has ever taken 3 steps in one day, and he's saying that like it's a good thing. Inslee added that while he and supporters celebrate the bills, there remains more to do in the fight against gun violence. We know we need to continue this effort on a national basis, he said. As you can tell, it always just starts with a certain kind of weapon, and he's even saying himself, this is just the beginning. The road to the assault weapons ban has been long, Ferguson said. He first pushed for it 7 years ago after the deadly shooting at the Makito house party. A lawsuit challenging the assault weapons ban was announced almost simultaneously with Tuesday's bill signing. The Second Amendment Foundation, SAF, filed a complaint in U.S. District Court for the Western District of Washington, accusing lawmakers of violating the Second Amendment with an outright ban on semi-automatic rifles. The state has put politics ahead of constitutional rights and is penalizing law-abiding citizens, while this legislation does nothing to arrest and prosecute criminals who misuse firearms in defiance of all existing gun control laws, SAF founder Alan M. Gottlieb said in a press release. It is absurd. The NRA has also signaled opposition to at least 2 of the bills and said the organization already has lawsuits working their way through the courts against similar bans in California, Delaware, and Illinois. Ferguson said his office is prepared to defend the bills in court. We're a nation of laws, and they have the right to challenge that, he said. Our record so far is pretty good against the NRA and against the Second Amendment Foundation. We are undefeated, and we plan to keep that record intact. It's funny he says we're a nation of laws, but then he just goes against the law of the land, the Constitution. Yeah, so I don't think this is going to do anything. It's just going to keep guns out of the hands of law-abiding citizens who want them. But I mean, what is it going to do? If you're crazy, a 10-day ban isn't going to do anything. There's like, okay, I'll wait 10 days to go nuts and I'll take a safety course. Sure. What is that going to do? This just doesn't do anything. It just makes it harder for law-abiding citizens. I mean, murder's already illegal. So, I mean, like if they're going to go and murder someone, which is illegal, very illegal, right? Why would they care about going and breaking gun laws? But a law-abiding citizen isn't going to. Yeah, it's just dumb. It's kind of crazy how half the country is doing constitutional carry. Nebraska just became another state that implemented constitutional carry, and another portion of the country is going the opposite way. Very, very interesting. Everything is so polarized nowadays. It's crazy. But what's your opinion on this story? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for daily news updates, hit that notification bell, and share this video to help spread the news. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.